Kherk Roldan here. What if I tell you there's another way to bring traffic and drive more sales to your online store, and it's absolutely free? Yes, you can bring free, recurring, and high converting traffic to your online store. How? Through search engine optimization, or SEO. I've been involved in SEO since 2011, doing consulting and SEO work for companies in the most competitive niches like pets, fitness, softwares, and more. Did you know that SEO has the ability to drive more sales and revenue on your e-commerce site in the long run? If done properly, SEO will put you on the top of the search results. Furthermore, put you on the top of your competitors. The e-commerce industry is a warfare. Surviving it requires emittent strategies, and one of the best strategies you should start utilizing is search engine optimization, or SEO, and increase more sales without buying ads as quickly as possible. Suitable for both beginners and experienced entrepreneurs. I will reveal result-driven strategies and techniques and tools tailored for e-commerce. You need to gain organic traffic, drive more sales and revenue. What are you waiting for? Let's start!